Hello dear paper friends, today I will make some cute bookmarks for the fall and for winter. First I open an A4 document in Canva, then I make a frame, put my image and find cute font pairing for it. I make 4 different types of bookmarks. Then I download it in PDF for print. In the description below you will find a link for this PDF in the Google Drive. You can put this PDF into Canva, then you can edit it. Please use these designs only for personal use. Thank you. Actually, I made these bookmarks in Affinity as well. I downloaded it in PNG, so I can print this PNG file on a heavier and whatever color paper as well, because from Canva Free I only could print with white background. After the design process I print it out on a heavier cream color paper, cut it out and cut the corners as well. Here are the nice cute bookmarks for fall and for winter. If you like this video so far, please subscribe and push the like button. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.